Gold finally made a bearish breakout. It is a first breakout from here where the price was making decision candles several days and could not manage to make a bearish or bullish breakout outside of the support level 3945.63. Yesterday it was created a strong bearish candle that has closed below this area of support, but we can see the price could not manage to go below this area of support, which is a confluence between support and resistance, where these two open and close price levels of these two candles are located around 3929.34. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price finally made a bearish breakout below this area of support, which I have mentioned yesterday. After the price has formed this bearish candle, it was the first step where the price has made a bearish breakout, a small one, and then stop it at this 4-hour time frame support level, making a decision candle where the buyers and the sellers have pushed the price in their direction, and price has closed almost at the same price when it is open. From here the price tried to return back up, returning back inside the decision range area, but then finally the price has formed this bearish candle that has stood the price all the way down below this area of support, where the price stopped at around 3931.45. From here, the price has found again a support level where the buyers were waiting, a demand zone that has pushed the price up, and we can see the price is returning above this area of support 3945.63, which is a daily support level. Currently, the price is in between this 4-hour time frame resistance level 3979 and the daily support level 3945. 1-hour time frame shows us this was a bearish breakout yesterday, but it was also an attempt, this bearish breakout, which has been failed, and then the price was returning back up, returning back above this area of support, reaching this area of resistance, and then again forming a strong bearish candles. This was again a bearish breakout, and then finally the price continued to lose its value, going even further down, reaching lower levels like 3929.33, and from here the price has reversed back up and currently forming two strong bullish candles on the 1-hour time frame. Based on this one, what we can make a conclusion: yesterday there was a strong selling pressure, we can see that here, which has stopped right here at this area of support, which is a 1-hour time frame support level. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price formed a bearish breakout, trying to move further down unsuccessfully, and then currently returning back above. This was again also a small bullish breakout where the price is trying to reach higher price levels, so it is currently trying to reach this area of resistance around 3979. 3979, it is very close to 3972. 3979 is here, 0.35, and we can see where the price is currently trying to reach. 3972 is this area where the price will try to reach when the price finally make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. As it looks right now, it will try to move because of these two strong bullish candles. So I'm currently on the 1-hour time frame, open to see the price right here around 3979, a price level. But during the day, what we can expect? Well, first of all, when the price reaches very close to this area of resistance, it will try to make a bullish breakout, trying to return back above this area of resistance inside this indecision range area. Will it succeed? It is something that we need to watch on the 1-hour time frame, how the price behaves around this area of resistance. After that, when the price makes that move, we will see how the price will behave. If it makes bullish breakout, that means the price is returning back inside this indecision range area, which will again close the price, and then we need to wait again for the breakout, bullish or bearish. But if the price doesn't make a bullish breakout, making a retrace back down, this will mean that it will continue this bearish sentiment that is entered in the market yesterday, making a bearish breakout. But it's very important that the price could not manage to go below this area 3929, a support level. So if we would like to see the price moving further down, the market needs to close the daily time frame below this area of support. This will indicate that this small support level that has pushed the price up is completely broken, and it will allow the price to move further down to 3875.21, a daily support level. So we can see that 3929.33 is the critical level for the bears in order to push the price further down. And while it's still holding this demand zone, the buyers are pushing the price up. I'm open to see the price returning back up, reaching this area of resistance, and then potentially returning back inside this indecision range area. So for now, slightly bullish until the price reaches this area, and then wait for the market to make a move around this area of resistance. That's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.